welcome back to my channel. Happy Tuesday. Is it Tuesday? I don't really know. It's Tuesday. It's 3 and I'm starting the vlog now because it's literally been the most chaotic day of my life. I haven't actually picked up my camera in about a week. Last week was reading week and I honestly was just like very under the weather. I feel like, is this like TMI? I don't really think it is, but I have PCOS. And I struggle with really bad periods, and so my doctor changed my birth control. I think it would help, and it actually made it awful. I was like off sick from work for like 3 days and I had the worst cramps of life and it was literally awful. And it was supposed to be like my spring break and I literally didn't really do much. Matt and I watched a lot of movies, but I'm feeling finally back to myself today, and then I need to take a sip of my coffee. One sec. I had planned on vlogging all day today and I started vlogging this morning. I worked 6 to 10 and then I had a midterm at 11:30. I woke up with like raging anxiety and then I went to work, whatever. And then I got out of work and I had a flat tire. And I was freaking out because my midterm was in an hour and I didn't know what to do. So I called Matt and Matt came and like blew up the tire and there was actually a nail in it. So he blew it up enough to see if the tire would stay full of air, and it did. So I ended up writing my midterm, which went really well. I was through Canadian Tire and they have a warranty, like a lifelong warranty, which is amazing. So if you guys are in Canada, highly recommend. Do they have Canadian Tire in the States? Probably not, because it's literally called Canadian Tire, but highly recommend getting your tires through them because they have like a lifetime warranty no matter what happens to your tires. So, and a few times they replace them. So I went there, got it fixed. It took like an hour, but then I had like an awkward time gap because I worked again at 3:30 and it was like 1:30, 2, and I didn't know what to do. I didn't want to drive home and waste the gas, so I just came to the gym and I did like 30 minutes of cardio. Stopped and treated myself to Starbucks because I thought I deserved it after my rough day, and we're heading to work now. That's my little update. Oh, I also have really exciting news that I'll share with you guys when I get home. I'm really excited to share with you guys. I'm like, it's so exciting. Okay, yeah. Also, if you guys don't follow me on Instagram, make sure you do because I post a lot on there when I don't post on here. So I'll put my Instagram right here for you guys to check out if you're interested. And yeah, okay, let's go to work. Drink the coffee, hype ourselves up to go to work. Share this with you guys, but when I get Starbucks, which is honestly not often, my new favorite thing to do is to just get 1 pump of whatever in the cold foam. It's just so tasty. You guys know I don't really like my coffee sweet, but if I do get a sweet coffee, that's what I get, and it's so good. It's just like a little taste in the foam. But anyways, that's like my new favorite thing. Hazelnut is also my favorite. Comment down below what your favorite syrup is and like a nice coffee. If it's like caramel or vanilla or hazelnut, I literally want to know. I'm very curious. I know the lighting is really bad, but I'm gonna be the happiest person on earth right now because if you guys can tell from that b-roll, it is so sunny outside and it's like 10 degrees and spring is coming and my mental health is thriving and I'm so happy. Okay, I'm going to work. I'll talk to you guys later. People in the parking lot are staring at me, but it's fine. Okay, bye. Alrighty guys, I just got home and this is what happens when you're gone for 4 days. So we're gonna do a little unboxing. Okay, I got these 2 books from Amazon. I just read her other book. I don't remember what it's called, A Nurse's Story. Super good, so I got this one. She's an ICU nurse. And then I got this one, which is ironic because I work in hematology, but it looked really good, so I bought this as well. I want to show you guys more like brand deal behind the scenes and stuff because I love seeing that on other people's channels. So this is a package I got for a company that I'm working with. It's an oat milk company, which y'all know is all up my alley, so I'm really excited about it. So they sent me some of their oat milk to try, which I'm excited. You guys will see that brand deal coming soon. This is like one of my first like real brand deals with like a really big company, so I'm really excited about that. So they sent me some oat milk, which is amazing. I'm gonna bring some to work tomorrow, but I'm super excited about that. Okay, I don't even remember what I ordered, so we're just gonna go through all these. I think some of them might be PR packages, but I ordered some new resistance bands for the gym for leg day. This is a Canadian company. Y'all know I love to support Canadian companies, so I got these ones. So this is what they look like. I'm gonna link everything down below. I prefer the fabric ones. I don't know if you guys can tell, but they're fabric ones. I'm really excited. So there's 3 of them in there for like 20 bucks. I'm so excited about this, you guys. This is a huge company that I'm working with. When they reached out, I literally thought they were lying. But I don't even know if I should show you guys. I am so excited. Guys, I'm working with Ana Luisa Jewelry, and I've seen them before on other YouTubers channels, and I'm real excited. I'm so excited, you guys. I literally have no idea what they sent me. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. This is like my first real big brand deal, and I wanted to vlog it for you guys because I'm overwhelmed right now. Wow. You guys know that I bought a Vore backpack. If you guys haven't seen my What's My Backpack video, I'll link it down below. But they had a 50% off sale on pink colored items the other day. So I got one of the gym bags because I need a new gym bag so bad. So this is what it looks like. It's kind of a cute size. I really like it. But I don't really know how big it is going to be. But it actually has like a... Okay, I'm going to show you guys what's in my gym bag later because I'm going to move everything over. But this is what it looks like. Super cute, and it even has like a little shoe compartment here. So, okay, I'm missing one package. I ordered a chapbook and I don't know where it is, but that was a fun unboxing. Now we have to get to work because I have a lot to do. But I really like watching unboxing vlogs. I don't really know why. I just really enjoy it, so I hope you guys enjoyed it. I'm gonna change into something comfier, and I know my hair's greasy, but I'm gonna wash it in the morning because I have way too much to do tonight. Yeah, okay. Hey guys, I just changed into comfy clothes. I'm ready to take on the night, get in bed, and get shit done. I've got a nice oversized Disney sweater on, some gray sweatpants, gray on gray, the way to go. Guys, before we do anything else, I need to show you guys this email that I got. I literally sat down in bed just to show you guys. Got my email to graduate. It like seems like nothing to most people, but y'all, undergrad for 5 years. I've gone through so many mental health struggles, and like a lot I have not talked about on the internet. That's just way too personal, and I can't really talk about it on the internet for like security reasons, but I've gone through so much in the last 5 years. Like, I honestly just didn't think I'd get here. I know that's so cheesy, but like I didn't think I was gonna graduate. And we're here, and we're gonna go to nursing school, and it's like all full circle and crazy. But I had to share it with you guys because I'm just so excited, and I'm the first university graduate on both sides of my family, which is a huge deal, and I'm really excited. I just had to share that with you guys. You know, the excitement's gotta fade. We need to study so that we ensure that we actually graduate. I think we're gonna start off slow, and I'm gonna take everything from my old gym bag and put it in the new one, and then I'll show you guys what's in it after I'm done. Oh. So this is the super cute bag. But anyways, it's the best little size ever. It fits so much, and like gym bag, but this is too big for me anyway, so I really like that. All right, so headphones. These are my AfterShokz headphones, so they don't actually go in your ear, and I love them. Dry shampoo. I have my BCAAs, which are in lemonade pre-workout, but it's too big to put in there, so I'm gonna have to get a smaller one for my gym bag. But this is the pre-workout I use. There's resistance bands in there, and then I normally carry one full set of workout clothes, an extra shirt, and extra bra. So I have a pink Jed North bra in there. I have a Lulu energy bra in there. I have a Lulu tank top, just a black crop top, and then my Aerie leggings in there. And then on the side here, I just have an extra pair of Lululemon socks. I'll link these down below. They're amazing, especially if you're a runner. And I think this has deodorant in it. Yeah, so that's all. But that's what I carry in my gym bag, if you're wondering. I did that. Now I'm gonna jump in bed and like get actual work done, because y'all, I need to get shit done. Someone DM'd me and said they like want to talk about like what I'm studying. So I'm taking a cognitive aging and dementia class, like I said, and it basically, every week we go through a different like cognitive aging disease, and we go through the pathology of it and the anatomy of it, Lewy body dementia and Parkinson's. So we basically go through like the pathology, differentiating definitions, symptoms, all that kind of stuff. And then we also do neuropathology, which is pretty cool. We do some treatment, so that's what I like. You know, we do some medication, we do some pharm. It's really cool. I really like these kind of courses. I like seeing like overview of diseases. So that's what we did. So like I said, I wrote everything out at work. I like to write things out at work and do Quizlets because it doesn't like involve any like active thinking. Like I can like go help a patient and then come back and keep writing notes. So I wrote that out and did a Quizlet. I might run through the Quizlet maybe once. The great thing about taking a healthcare course is I literally know like all this stuff. Like I already know what to do when someone's febrile and when someone's hypertensive and hypotensive. So I'm gonna do this chapter. Some of this doesn't apply because it's an American textbook, but I'm gonna read this. I need a highlighter. Just go for a nice yellow. Big fan of yellow. Currently 11:10. I actually just finished editing this video up until now, which is really exciting. I feel like this is a boring vlog, but I never vlog my evenings for you guys and I kind of wanted to, and I know it's a shorter video, but I hope you guys enjoy. I'm just going to add some music into this video, which is weird because I'm still vlogging this video but it's edited, and then probably head to bed because I'm literally exhausted. So I've been up since 5 and it's 11. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Just subscribe if you're not already and give the video a big thumbs up, and I'll talk to you guys in my next vlog. Bye!